G'day guys, how you going? I've just been loving doing my machine and Krieger here once again. We're back of course for an unboxing. This time this is for the Kow Lucky Dip 2.0s. I can't wait. These have come all the way from Japan. We're here in Melbourne, Australia. My mate's down Hearn's Hobbies, good old BJ, he's sold us a heap of them, like over here. Oh my god, they're so much fun. They're like 10 bucks each, and that was the first thing that I ever painted, this little guy here. First model ever. So yeah, so like as you can see how much fun they are. Here's another one that I painted. They're infinite amount of fun. So yeah, and $10 for each time. I mean, it's just like, you know, you put them together, it's just a great little afternoon or night or whatever. But here we go, we've got 12 of the Lucky Dip 2.0s. Ting, who bought all these, she's been nice enough to say I can actually have 6. Yeah, so I'm gonna choose 6 at random, and we'll have a look which ones I get. Let's have a lucky dip. Alright, here we go. So, going at random here. What do we got? The 2.0s. What is it? SG. What's, oh, that's the Fireball, the SAFS Fireball SG. Nice. Nice blue colour. I haven't, oh. Here we go. So we're in the 2.0s, you got the Heinrich, the Raccoon, and the Fireball. So yeah, you've got these 3 different models for the thing says Kow. Oh yeah, okay. That is awesome, and it's like blue. Nice detail. Beautiful detail once again. Okay, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Here we go. Number 2. Thank you, Ting, so much as well. Ting's behind the camera, by the way, guys. She's too shy to jump in front of the camera. But, nah. Oh, and actually, let's have a look at what decals I got with the first one. Oh, there we go. Year of the Rooster. That's me there. The Rooster. That's awesome. That is kick-ass. Okay, here we go. Which one's this? What did I get here? What did I get here? Another Fireball. 2 Fireballs. 2 Fireballs. It is a lucky dip. So we've got 3 types that I could that you can essentially get, and this is the beauty about the lucky dips. Like every time I go down to BJ at Hearn's Hobbies, I'm just like, hey BJ, you know, another lucky dip. I always get one when I'm ever getting like some like accent color or something like that. And like I've got a bag around here somewhere. It's full of empty. Here we go. Where is it? Look this bag here. It's full of empty. They're all from the little lucky dips. So that's pretty cool. But anyway, not to get too sidetracked. We've got 2 Fireballs. The decals on this one look pretty mad. What do we got? Oh, there's a wolf there, I guess. So that could be for all you Game of Thrones fans or something. Oh, what's this? That thing there, that is definitely going on. That's like a penguin or something. That's getting on there for sure, without a shadow of a doubt. Yeah, you get a nice close-up of that, Ting. Nice work. Ting is a great friend of mine from Taiwan, and she ordered in this full box. I can't remember exactly the place. What was the place you ordered them from? Anyway, do you remember? I don't know. I can't remember, but awesome. Here we go. Let's have another look. What have we got here? I'm 3. Oh yes, I've got a raccoon. Got a raccoon. All right, here we go. Nice. Yeah, they're like an SAFS type R, and these are SAFS space type, the Fireballs, which is awesome, which will go so good. The space types, they're all like part of like the same thing as, you know, the camel. I had a standstill with the camel because I actually ran out of super glue. Well, I don't own super glue. I've got to go buy some. Yeah, I can't glue on a few little bits until I do that, but that's okay. But here we go, raccoon. Oh my god. Oh, Kow, he's done it again. The 2.0s, the 135, one is to 35 scale. Who's doing them? Kyoto. Well, Kyoto are doing a great job, I reckon. Like they look like, you know, decent. It looks like decent plastic. I mean, I use acrylics, so I have to prime it first anyway. So you know, the colour's sort of a bit lost on me. And like if you were using a lacquer paint or something, you could just go straight on. It wouldn't matter. But that's all good. It's cool to get like the different colours. So we've got 2 blues, 1 yellow. So we've got a blue fireball, a yellow fireball. We've got a blue raccoon. Here we go, number 3. Machine and Krieger. What are we gonna get? Oh, what's this? It's like a drab olive. Oh, it seems like the kits are bigger in 2.0. Hang on, could it be? Is it a drab? Oh, it's a drab olive fireball. Drab olive fireball. There we go. So we've got 3 fireballs. Oh my god, ladies and gents. So out of 6 and this is lucky dip. 3 of the same one. Then 1 raccoon. But that's the thing, like trading, that's where trading comes in. I mean, I've got some mad decals here. I've got a decal set B, decal set A, I should say decal, really, because that's the way all my mates say it down there. So decal set A, B, C, righto, E, D. Here we are. Alright, now. Alright. Don't know if you can hear that in the background, but that's actually it's actually my music. My music playing in the background. I'm a bit of a composer at heart, but forget about that. Come over here, come up close for a sec, guys, and check out this for a painting. I don't know if you've been noticing this little guy. He's this little ugly little fella. He's like I've just been painting him, and he's one of my pride and joys. What I like doing is when I work up a white, say like a white colour scheme, I like working up from a dark base. So I built this up from a dark rust colour, from this actually, that dark rust colour, and building up the white slowly but surely, it just looks like this skin tone, and then you bring in the reds and it's truly grotesque. So yeah, that's a little work that's going on, but here we go. Apart from that, let's see, what have we got here? Here we go. This is what I've been waiting for. This is what I've been waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys in there. The Heinrich Panzerkampfanzug H0 or something, I don't know. But this is so cool. Look at this. Kow is actually given us one with a pilot. It is so cool. There's actually a pilot inside. Oh my god, I'm gonna love doing this kit. Oh, there's 4 different ones, just 4 different like colours. But hang on. It looks like 2 of the colours have different guns. Do they? Yeah, they have like different missile holders or something. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. Yeah. Who knows? I gotta collect the whole set. I'm down to like my last choice. Oh my god. And how lucky am I? I mean, look at this. How many normal folk get to have like 6 lucky dips in a row? Alright, here we go, guys. Wish me luck. What's it gonna be? Which one would you like? Mention in the comments down below which one you'd like as well. And by the way, guys, this is just for a bit of fun, you know, it's just for a bit of fun. I hope your hobby is going well, and if you share the hobby, share your comments about it. Alright, but here we go. Here's the last one. Alright, here we go. Come on, what is it? Looks like a good decal set B. Oh, I didn't notice that before in decal set B. Look at that pig thing there. That is so cool. Yep, that's super cool, guys. I'm whispering because I'm close to the thing. Okay, what is it? What is it? Oh, another raccoon. Brilliant. I was hoping for another raccoon, to tell you the truth, guys. I mean, look, I love the Heinrich. I do like the Heinrich, but these raccoons look so damn cool. And like I'll get up. Let's get you a shot of the art. I'm not sure who did the painting for the promo there. It's beautiful though. Look at it. Just glorious. I mean, they're quite bright, vivid colours, you know, and that's what I love about these kits. Like, you can use some really nice, bright, vivid colours. You can, like, you know, you stick to the Machine and Krieger way, but at the same time, you make it your own, you know, and just have a bit of fun with them. Like, they're $10 each, so, like, of course you're gonna have a bit of fun with them. But I'm not sure how much these 2.0s are gonna be individually. But I'm going to have so much fun putting them all together. So, let's recap. What do we got? We got 3 fireballs. 1, 2, 3. But that's cool. I got a different colour fireball of each. And then we got 2 raccoons. A yellow and a blue raccoon. Yeah, and a green Heinrich. So that is super, super awesome. So yeah, guys, I hope you liked this vid. Remember, hit the like button there, subscribe, and the bell icon too if you want to know about what I'm doing. No, I'm doing some compositions and stuff as well, so yeah, I'll keep you posted on that. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the vid, guys, and we'll talk soon. Special thanks to Ting, who gave me this amazing gift here of all these 6 Machine and Krieger. Okay guys, peace out, and we'll see you next time. Ciao.